Welcome to our channel. If you need to connect your Apple TV to a Wi-Fi network, follow these step-by-step instructions to establish an internet connection and start streaming content. Step 1. Turn on your Apple TV and your television, then ensure your Wi-Fi router is powered on and functioning properly. Step 2. On your Apple TV home screen, navigate to Settings using your Apple TV remote. Step 3. Select Network from the Settings menu to access your internet connection options. Step 4. Choose Wi-Fi to view available wireless networks in your area. Wait while your Apple TV scans for networks. Step 5. Select your Wi-Fi network name from the list of available networks displayed on screen. Step 6. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. Use your remote to navigate between letters and numbers carefully. Step 7. Select Submit or Done to connect. Your Apple TV will attempt to connect to the network and verify the password. Step 8. Once connected, a check mark will appear next to your network name. Test your connection by opening an app like Apple TV Plus or Netflix to ensure streaming works properly. If connection fails, verify your password and try again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.